I'm Chandler Hair, the owner of PAC Contractors. I'm a general contractor that started on my own in 2010. I'm a second generation contractor. We specialize in custom homes and swimming pools. We do additions, like this site, we're doing additions, garage additions, room additions, and stuff like that. So I started with a rover because I wanted to get more accurate layouts on houses and pools, especially in our area where we have rolling hills and mountainous areas. Pulling square lines with an old tape was very challenging, so using the rover helped us pinpoint accuracy. And with the swimming pools as well, getting hoppers sloped, pinned right, dig the hole, and then we can get back in the hole and accurately place everything. So once we got proficient with the rover, I started looking into doing more machine control where I can utilize the technology by myself in the equipment. And that's when I started speaking with Andy at Benchmark about machine control, and he offered the EasyNav system that we have begun using. So with the rover, I was able to pin everything by myself. Before the EasyNav, I'd have a guy on the laser, a couple of them just pulling tapes, checking everything. Now with utilizing the rover and the EasyNav, I can do every bit of it by myself, and I just have the guys basically watching, doing other work while I'm doing the digging and just double checking behind me. But it's pretty much come to, I can utilize them on another project while I'm doing this project by myself. I'm saving a lot of time, which essentially ends up saving the customer money because I'm more accurately getting everything square, and then by not having the labor out here to do the work, I can cut my labor cost and save the customer even more money. So the easy use of the screen is really simple. The way they've laid it out makes it easy to find everything, easy to alternate the settings. They've done a really good job with that. Whenever I've had an issue that is setting up the job properly like it should be running, Benchmark's tech line is Johnny on the spot, really fast to help me log in, get set up and get running. So everything is really fast. But the EasyNav, the couple little issues I had setting it up was not the system, it was just me learning the technology and learning how to set it up the right way. But once it's there, it's incredible. Yeah, we once used a laser receiver that clamped to the side of the boom, and the bucket had to be in the right spot at the right place. Every time you moved, you gotta reset everything. So it was very cumbersome to set up and use, and it was not efficient at all. And it sits in our shop unused for quite some time now. The EasyNav, it's going to probably go on eBay because it will never be used again now that I have this EasyNav. Well, the price point on technology, it's hard to bear sometimes. Benchmark does a really good job at making it so anybody can get it. As a small contractor as myself, it was a lot to look at and a lot to think about. But my opinion on technology, if you don't stay with it, you're falling behind. And without going with this EasyNav, this was my next step of being ahead of the game. So I could come out here and pull tapes, and I can put 3 guys out here to dig this, but my costs are going up. And with the cost of everything going up, I've got to find ways to cut back. But precision, accuracy is where we want to be. And using technology will put you there. So if you're not utilizing technology, your accuracy is just not going to be there. So anybody that's thinking about using technology on their machines, I do recommend EasyNav. I did my research and looked at all the systems, and EasyNav was the one that I wanted. And it was not about price point, it was about ease of use and the quality of the technology. Purchasing it through Benchmark was easy process. Before, they were great about explaining, displaying, demoing the systems. Made the purchase, they did install, very high-end quality install on the machine. And then the after, anytime I've needed assistance setting it up, they've answered the call, they've answered the text. There's not been a moment with the Rover or the EasyNav that I've had to sit and wait. They've got plenty of staff on the technical side to help get me where I need to go, so I'm not waiting.